everybody. Let's do the Woodland Valley Cha-Cha. Let's do the rhythm of the beat now. Let's do the rhythm of the beat now. Now here we go. Let's do the take it to the right. Take it down the left. Every corner is valley is really good cha-cha-cha. Now we're at the Woodland Valley Cha-Cha. And since you're in honor of the cha-cha-cha.
Bro, Rari, Ra, Relo, Remy is everything. Bro. Really? 8 stupid times.
Just letting Knuckles pilot the shuttle on the way over here was more dangerous than you could ever be. The only thing in the cargo bay are those Master Emeralds.
Hey, what's that groovy sound? That sounds like the itchin', the twitchin', the scritchin', the scratchin' beat of the Woodland Valley Cha-Cha! And since you're an honorary member of Woodland Valley, it's time you knew this dance too. When you visit Woodland Valley, there's a little dance we do. And you can join us anytime of day. From the store down to the schoolhouse,
From the pond up to the blue house, every corner and alley and street in the valley goes cha-cha-cha. Hey, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
it's the Woodland Valley Cha-Cha.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
The Woodland Valley Cha-Cha.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
Now, aren't you glad I taught ya?
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
It's the Woodland Valley Cha-Cha. Hey!
Woodland Valley Cha-Cha. Woodland Valley Cha-Cha.
No, it doesn't matter where you are.
Woodland Valley Cha-Cha.
Let the music take you where you are.
Woodland Valley Cha-Cha. Cha-cha!
It says we have to pay $25 for the DVD. What shall we do? Shall we tell the truth and face the consequences of our action? Gumball! You wouldn't steal a car. You wouldn't steal a woman's purse. You wouldn't steal a cell phone. Piracy is stealing!
Put me down, Bunny. Flintstone, I ought to fire you. Look, I'm scared. Next year, I might buy your cheap establishment and fire you.